Yo, what's up everyone? I'm Freddie with DJ Servicing Solutions. Today we're actually buying a new photo booth. Check this out. This is the 3.0 mini photo booth. We're getting it from Fotopod. So check this out. We got two plates that come with this. We got the simple adapt white edition. Look how beautiful that looks. And we got the mirror type too as well. Check this out. Look how easy it is to adapt. So simple and convenient, especially for those ones that don't want to carry heavy equipment, and it's or for the ladies. Check that out. Wow. It just brings out the whole mirror booth to life, and pretty much it's 2-in-1. So how benefit is that? Think about that. And you also got the up and down. Wow. Check that out. So definitely a good buy, so I do recommend it. So I'm gonna try it out, I'm gonna take it home and see how it goes. Oh, and you got this is the 2.0 version. There it is. Check that one out, it's a bigger version, a little more thicker. But yeah, it goes up and down as well. And also you got two pieces of it. You can take this one off. I don't know if you can take this one off right now, but it's connected, right? It's plugged in. But yeah, this is the other piece that goes in front of it. Check that out. So you got options. You could do either the mirror, or you could do this part, which is this kind, which is the black and white, or you could do all white. So stay tuned. We're gonna be posting more videos, and I hope you guys like this video. I'm DJ Freddy with DJ Servicing Solutions. Peace.